Child Safety Locks by Skyla Homes.
Skyla Homes offers a 2-pack of multi-purpose child safety locks featuring strong 3M adhesive for easy installation without screws or magnets. These locks are designed to keep cabinets, appliances, and other areas secure from curious toddlers, providing peace of mind for parents. Easy installation. Locks can be installed in seconds with no tools required, making it convenient for busy parents to child-proof their homes quickly. Strong adhesive. The high-grade 3M adhesive ensures a strong hold on various surfaces, providing reliability and security against determined toddlers. User-friendly for adults. Adults find these locks easy to operate with a simple push and lift mechanism that allows for quick access without fumbling. Versatile usage. These locks are versatile enough to be used on cabinets, drawers, appliances, and even toilet seats, making them suitable for various areas in the home. Variable adhesive performance. While many users find the adhesive strong, some report that it may not adhere properly to all surfaces, leading to potential failures. Potential for damage. Removing the locks could potentially damage furniture surfaces, especially if adhesive residues are left behind. Limited durability. A few users noted that the locks might not last indefinitely, as some have experienced them coming loose after extended use. Not foolproof. Although designed to be childproof, determined toddlers might still find ways to manipulate the locks if they are not installed correctly. Skyla Homes child safety locks are an excellent choice for parents seeking an easy and effective way to baby-proof their homes. Their quick installation and user-friendly design make them appealing. However, the variable adhesive performance and potential for damage upon removal may deter some buyers. Overall, they provide a practical solution for safeguarding curious little ones, but users should be mindful of surface compatibility.
Are you excited to make a purchase, or do you need a little more time to decide? No need to hurry. Check out the product link in the description below. Just click on it to explore the Amazon website, where you can dive into more details and read reviews that will help you make the best choice. Happy shopping!